welcome back to our channel. Today's hairstyle is wrap around bubble ponytail. So cute. I get one thumbs Keep watching. I'm showing you how to do it.
Starting with a deep right side part, I'm going to come back about 5 inches towards the back of her crown. I'm then going to part a section that is about 2 inches wide, and the rest of her hair is damp, and I'm just going to put it in a very loose ponytail back behind the rest of the hair. This just helps so that you don't incorporate other hair into the ponytail that you don't want. Damp hair also helps with this. Our second part is also going to be straight across like the first part, coming back another 2 to 3 inches depending on the size of your child's head. Again, I'm securing the rest of it back into a very loose ponytail just to keep it out of the way while I do this second section. Now this third section, we're going to take the back of this part as kind of an anchor and bring it down at an angle. So the rest of your diagonal parts that we're going to be doing in this style will all be anchored from that back deep right side part, and we're going to kind of work around that. So again, taking about a 2-inch section, making sure that I spray it down with water and spray gel, comb it through the hair, and you'll get a much sleeker, nicer style. I'm keeping these ponytails about right in the middle of the section, and I'm going to kind of angle them as I come down. Again, this next section I'm parting at a diagonal from that deep right side part that I mentioned before. So in total we are going to have 6 ponytails or 6 sections. So here is my 5th one. And then our final 6th one is right by her ear, and I want it even with about the top of her ear. If you want a lower ponytail, you're going to bring it down into a low ponytail. So here are my 6 ponytails, and from here we are going to start connecting them. So I'm going to take the first ponytail and add it to the second ponytail. You can kind of see that I've got some flyaways, but if I just add a little bit of spray gel and comb it through, it's really going to cut down on the flyaways. So I'm going to add the first ponytail to the second one, and then we are just going to pancake or pull it out a little bit. When you pull it out, it is actually bubbling the ponytail, and that's why it's called a bubble ponytail. One little tip while you're doing the bubble ponytails: if you pull out too much to begin with, and you're not happy with it, then sometimes you have to redo that ponytail. I would recommend just pulling it out a little at a time and kind of looking back and forth on it to get the desired effect. So again, I'm just bubbling out a little bit and kind of bubbling it a little more as I come around. That second ponytail I added to the third, and then the third we are going to add to number 4, slightly bubbling it out, and then making it bigger if that's the look that you want. So here is ponytail number 4 to number 5. And then our final ponytail is going to create a side ponytail on the side of her head. Like I said, depending on how high you want this is where you will place that last ponytail. I wanted it kind of the middle of her head. I think it's pretty cute. So I'm just going to add a bow, and we are going to give you one final spin of this hairstyle.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.